Good morning and welcome back on my channel. It's already 2nd of December and I gotta tell you, I'm freezing my balls out here. Nevertheless, we've got 3 weeks left till Christmas and I'm really hoping I can start the engine just before that. Today I'll show you how I was putting together the top end. So installing a head gasket, heads, exhaust manifold, valve covers, intake, some brackets, alternator. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, please press that thumbs up, leave a comment down below. With anything really, maybe I should do something differently, or you've got any idea how to improve something that I'm doing, or even if you don't like something, just let me know. Let's begin. Unfortunately, Royal Mail is on strike at the moment, and because of that, the parts that I ordered just never arrived. As far as I know, the strike should be done tomorrow, so finger crossed the parts will be here soon. For people that don't know what Royal Mail is, it's pretty much like a post office. Everything could be done if it wasn't for that. Unfortunately, I'm still waiting on some lifters that were faulty, so yeah, we're still waiting for one lifter. Obviously, because of that, I'm not able to assemble everything. Yeah, this is still loose. I still need to readjust the alternator, or the way it sits, just because the wiring it's at the top at the moment, and obviously I don't want any wires hanging out here. Oh yeah, what else? The spacer in between the alternator and the cylinder head, that's missing, or it was missing, so I ordered a new one, but again, you know, strikes. The valve covers, you know, they look much better than they did before. Yeah, but it's not something that I'm really gonna leave it on. I've got a pretty decent idea what to do with it, what to get, but for the moment I just want to start the engine, and then I'm gonna go from there. So as you can see, there is still plenty to do on the engine. Other than that, I still need to build an engine test run stand, plus all the wiring for that. Need to set up the radiators, electric fan. So yeah, plenty to do. We still got a few weeks left until Christmas, so I'm really hoping I'm gonna be able to do that. Anyways, thanks for watching Car Asylum. My name is David, and I'll see you next week.